Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join a public server. First, ensure your game or application is updated to the latest version. Next, we will explore how to find a suitable server from the many options available. Then, I will guide you through the straightforward process of connecting. Finally, we will cover some quick tips for troubleshooting common issues, ensuring you have a great time online. To begin, launch your game or application and navigate to the server browser. Here, you will see a list of available public servers. Use the filtering options to narrow down your choices, perhaps by game type or player capacity. Always look for servers with a low ping, ideally below 50 milliseconds, for the best experience. Remember to note the server's name or IP address if you plan to connect directly. Once you have chosen a server, simply click the Join button. If you have the server's IP address, you can often use a Direct Connect option, which is very efficient. Some servers might require a password. Enter it carefully if prompted. After clicking Join, your game will begin loading the server environment. This process usually takes only a few moments, and then you will be ready to play. If you encounter connection problems, first verify your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a quick check for game updates or server status announcements can resolve issues. If problems persist, try restarting your game or even your entire computer. For the most reliable experience, especially in fast-paced games, a wired Ethernet connection is often superior to Wi-Fi, offering lower latency and greater stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.